So this is a maneuver for the right horizontal canal when we see apogeotropic nystagmus, and this video we're going to demonstrate the Zuma maneuver. So what I'm going to have you do, Melissa, is you're going to lie down on your right side and you'll keep your head facing straight ahead, and you can bring your feet up over here. All right, let's go down. She stays on this side, which is again the affected side, for 3 minutes. So we're going to pretend she's been there for 3 minutes. As always, you observe for nystagmus and ask for any provocation of symptoms. Okay, Melissa, I want you to roll over onto your back, so you're going to be looking up at the ceiling. You can bend your knees if you want to, if you need to, and you'll have them hold this position for another 3 minutes. And then you have them, after the 3 minutes, they're going to turn their head to the non-affected side, 90 degrees. Okay, now what I want you to do is look as far left as you can, and they hold this position for 3 minutes. A couple of options here. After the 3 minutes, I'm going to sit her up. I can sit her up into long sitting, or I could bring her legs over to the side of the bed. I'm going to go ahead and just bring her up into long sitting. So Melissa, just tuck your chin. And I want you to come up into sitting. And once they're up and sitting, you can bring the head to the neutral position. And you bring your legs around. And again, that's the Zuma maneuver for the right anterior arm of the horizontal canal.